What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got something really clutch. It's a company called Delicacy. It's a universal travel adapter. Now, normally when we think travel adapters, this is a real travel adapter. I mean, when you really traveling, not with just in the United States. Actually, as you can see, the travel adapter has some different things going on with it. Yes. Actually, it's compatible in over 150 countries, as you can see. Europe, France, India. I mean, you can pause and read all these countries for yourself. This is a really dope idea right here. Very handy. So this is for folks that's really traveling internationally. Company called Delicacy. I'm just opening it up. As you can see, comes in a nice carrying pouch. Nice black carrying pouch with a zip on it. So that's dope that they give you a carrying pouch with it. You just throw it in your luggage. See, we got some instructions, but it's really simple. It's really simple. I cracked it open. So let's get it out. First of all, it's a nice solid construction. Very nice, very solid construction. I've used it prior. So basically, these are different plugs for different countries. If you look at the side, it's like European countries, the UK, the United States. I'm just going to talk about the United States and show you how it works. If I was in the United States, as you can see, I got these 3 slides. I press down, slide it out. For us folks that's in the United States, and that's how it looks. This is how our plugs look in the United States. So I will plug this into the wall, and then I still don't lose that outlet, because on the back, once I plug this into the wall, I can plug like maybe my TV that was plugged in or whatever into this side. And now I have the usability of all these ports right here. These are USB ports, and they're all getting they're smart, so they're getting up to 2.4 amps. Which is a good charging rate. It's not fast charge, but 2.4 amps is like what you're supposed to charge your iPad with. It's a good charging rate, and you're getting 4 ports. And on the side, you get a Type-C port also. As you can see, it says Type-C, and you're getting fast charge from this Type-C port. So that was the United States. So when I'm done with the United States, I hit this button. Goes back in. Let's say I'm in Europe. I travel to Europe. I decide, okay, I want BG Tech Life is going to Europe or Berlin or wherever, a different conference is happening. I push that out, and now I've got an adapter for that country. Done with that country. Press this button on the side, push it back. So this is the ultimate adapter, universal adapter for traveling. You don't lose the functionality of your outlets, because it adds an outlet on the back, and you're getting 4 ports and a Type-C port. And no matter where I end up, I can plug up my adapter. Now most adapters that I have, once I get to another country, I'd be SOL. Shit out of luck, because it's only for the United States. But this thing works in a lot of different countries. Really dope product right here. Company called Delicacy. I'm putting the link down in the description. So for all the real travelers out there who travel in the world and seeing things, this is for y'all. It's your man BG Tech Life. It's a dope product. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.